How to remove devices from your Google account. So you can do this in your preferred browser or um, any kind of Google related account, but in our case, we're going to do this in our Gmail. So in Gmail, go ahead to the top right and just open up this little section. So anything or anywhere you can find this, which is manage your Google account. So as long as you can get here to the Google account section, you should be able to go here in your security and sign in. Although the devices option is already here, if it isn't, you can go here to security and sign in. It's the same process, but in our case, we're gonna go to the long run just in case. So once you're here in security and sign in, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the devices, which should be this little section over here. So what you're going to do now is just choose whatever device you want to remove. Let's say this one, which is just going to say one session on unknown device. We don't even know what kind of device this is. Even I don't know what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and oh, it didn't bring us directly to it, but we're going to scroll down to the device that we want to remove. But before anything, this is different from this kind of option. Let's say it says Windows, you won't be able to sign out from that. Make sure whatever the title is the actual device name. So the Xiaomi 13T Pro, you can click on that, and there should be a sign out option over here. So if you want to go ahead and remove this device from your Google account, just go ahead and press on sign out, and it should automatically do so. Just follow with the prompts if there are, but that's pretty much how you remove a device from your Google account. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.